you for joining us. Welcome to our kitchen, and this is the Half Pint Sous. Today we're doing a twist on our typical chicken cordon bleu, and we are turning it into a wrap using spinach tortillas. We're still gonna make a homemade cordon bleu sauce, which is so good. Lightly breaded chicken. It's gonna be amazing. You ready? Okay. We have one chicken breast that we butterflied. You're gonna stab that all over. You don't have to kill it. It's already dead. Just stab it. Poking holes in meat, especially chicken breast, helps it to absorb whatever you're marinating it in. Stab it. So always poke holes on both sides and flip it over. Flip it over. Flip the chicken over. On that side all over. We are going to paint. We're going to squirt some Dijon mustard onto the chicken, and then you paint it. Rub it in on both sides.
But I don't think I'll even like this.
You probably won't like it, but that's your loss. Keep painting, and we'll flip it over and do the other side. Okay, 3 tablespoons of butter. Stir that around a bit until it melts. Now we're gonna add this 1/2 cup of chicken broth. You can use white wine or chicken broth, either one. So it's 1/2 cup. Add that, pour that in there real easy. Stir. And you're going to allow that to reduce for just a bit, just a couple.
Blue with fire.
Because sometimes fire is blue. You're going to let that reduce for just a couple of minutes. Okay, so while that's reducing, we're going to mix this right here in this bowl.
What is that? Milk?
1 cup of heavy cream.
Where are we going to put it?
In this bowl right here. Pour it right there. 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch.
Where are we going to put it?
Pour it in there. Will it come out? Whisk those together. Hold the bowl with one hand. There you go. Whisk that heavy cream and cornstarch together. Okay. That is 1 bouillon cube that we smashed with either a hammer or a kitchen mallet. Pour that into that butter chicken broth mix.
In here?
Yep. Pour it in there. Good job. Stir that up.
Yeah. So
now you're going to add this heavy cream cornstarch mixture to that.
now what does it look like?
Get your whisk and stir that in. And you're gonna let that cook for a few minutes till it starts to get nice and thick. Now, the last thing you gotta do to the sauce, which a lot of recipes don't call for, but I love doing it because I did it one time and it just was great. Give me a squirt in that sauce of Dijon mustard.
Coming.
Yep, there we go. It won't come out.
There it goes.
There we go. Perfect.
Yeah,
get your whisk.
I'm gonna stir that in.
Stir that in. It's getting nice and thick and it tastes so good. Now we've got to do the chicken. So put me a little bit of olive oil in the skillet. A little more. There we go. Okay, so we've got our chicken that's in the Dijon mustard. Pick that up and put it in the flour. Now, if we were doing real, like regular chicken cordon bleu, we would have a thick breading. But because we're doing a wrap, we're just going to really lightly bread it. So flip it over.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
So when the chicken's almost done, you're going to add some provolone cheese or Swiss or mozzarella. Provolone melts really good though. Turn the temperature on low and cover it just until the cheese is melted. Okay, so we have our spinach tortilla that we warmed about 10 seconds just so it's pliable. We're going to add our ham. Put your ham on there.
Ham?
Do another one.
Ham?
Yeah, we're gonna take our chicken. Here, get the chicken off of there. Use your finger. Okay, so now that we've got our chicken with the melted cheese, pour on this sauce from here to here. That's our Cordon Bleu sauce.
Oops.
Pour it that way. There you go. Get it all over everything. Okay, put the lettuce on there. You can do it with lettuce or without. Depends on what you're feeling that day. Lettuce right there, and then we'll roll it up. Roll it up. You want to take the ends over just a smidgy. And then roll it. You've got to use all the fingers and roll it as tightly as possible, like that, and then we will cut it.
Good job, Mom. Wow.
Cut it.
It's gonna be one for Dad. Favorite thing is that.